Welcome to our guide on the best Sony cameras for content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Today, we're diving into a world where quality matters. We'll explore the wide range of Sony cameras available, each with unique features that cater to various types of content creation. We'll cover everything from the importance of lens selection to the power of camera accessories, from talking head videos to live streams. Let's dive straight into our first category, talking head videos. Along the way, we'll provide useful tips and advice on maximizing your camera's potential and share valuable insights from successful content creators. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. First up in the talking head videos category is the Sony a6700. This camera is a powerhouse in a compact frame, boasting high-resolution capabilities for both photos and videos. Its ability to capture images with low noise and stunning detail makes it a top contender for this category. The Sony a6700 is designed to capture every nuance of your expression, every subtlety of your speech, and every gesture you make. It's all about delivering crystal-clear videos that hold the attention of your viewers. Its fast and accurate autofocus system ensures that you stay in sharp focus throughout your video. The last thing you want is for your viewers to strain to see you clearly. With the Sony a6700, you can put those worries to rest. It's like having a personal focus puller, ensuring your image remains sharp and clear, even when you move around. The Sony a6700 also shines in terms of portability. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal choice for on-the-go content creation. If you're the type of creator who likes to switch up your shooting locations, this camera will serve you well. It's easy to carry around, set up, and operate, making your content creation process smooth and hassle-free. So that's the Sony a6700, a great choice for talking head videos. It combines high-resolution capabilities, fast and accurate autofocus, and a compact design to deliver a camera that's well suited for this type of content creation. In the next segment, we'll dive into the world of vlogs. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the product links in the description below. Next up in the talking head videos category is the Sony ZV-E10. This camera is another strong contender, offering impressive high-resolution capabilities for both photos and videos. With the Sony ZV-E10, your content will be characterized by low noise and stunning detail, which is essential in keeping your viewers engaged. The Sony ZV-E10 also comes with a fast and accurate autofocus system. This ensures that you remain in sharp focus throughout your video, no matter how much you move around. It's like having a personal assistant, ensuring your image remains crisp and clear even when you're on the move. Now let's talk about portability. The Sony ZV-E10 is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go content creation. If you're a creator who enjoys changing up your shooting locations, this camera will be a great companion. It's easy to carry around, set up, and operate, ensuring your content creation process is as smooth as possible. To sum up, that's the Sony ZV-E10. Another great choice for talking head videos. It offers high-resolution capabilities, fast and accurate autofocus, and a portable design that's perfect for this type of content creation. In the next segment, we'll tackle the realm of live streams. Don't go anywhere, and remember to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. And now, let's transition from talking head videos to the exciting world of vlogs. For this category, we highly recommend the Sony ZV-1 II. This camera is a vlogger's dream, offering fantastic high-resolution capabilities for both photos and videos. With the Sony ZV-1 II, your vlogs will be characterized by low noise and stunning detail, capturing the essence of your experiences in the most vivid way. Now let's talk about autofocus. The Sony ZV-1 II has a fast and accurate autofocus system, which ensures that your videos remain clear and sharp, no matter how dynamic your movements are. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or hiking up a serene mountain, this camera will keep you in focus, adding a professional touch to your vlogs. But what about portability? Fear not, the Sony ZV-1 II got you covered. This camera is compact and lightweight, making it the perfect companion for on-the-go content creation. If you're a vlogger who loves travel or outdoor adventures, this camera will be your best friend. It's easy to carry around, set up and operate, making your vlogging experience as smooth as possible. So to sum up, the Sony ZV-1 II is our top pick for vlogs. It offers high-resolution capabilities, fast and accurate autofocus, and a portable design that's perfect for vloggers who are always on the move. Up next, we're diving into the world of live streams. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. Before we move on to live streams, let's take a moment to talk about video podcasts. The ideal camera for this type of content, the Sony FX30. This camera is a powerhouse offering high-resolution capabilities for both photos and videos. The Sony FX30 ensures your podcasts are characterized by low noise and exceptional detail, making your content stand out in the most professional way. Now let's discuss autofocus. The Sony FX30 possesses a fast and accurate autofocus system, which ensures that your videos remain clear and sharp, no matter the setting. Whether you're conducting an interview or delivering a monologue, this camera will keep you in focus, adding a professional touch to your podcasts. But what about portability? The Sony FX30 is compact and lightweight, making it an excellent choice for podcasters who often need to set up in different locations. It's easy to carry around, set up and operate, making your podcasting experience as seamless as possible. So, in summary, the Sony FX30 is our top pick for video podcasts. It offers high-resolution capabilities, fast and accurate autofocus, and a portable design that's perfect for podcasters on the go. Up next, we're moving on to the world of live streams. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. Let's dive right into it, shall we? The Sony ZV-1, our top pick for live streams, is a powerhouse in a compact form. This camera has superb clarity and color reproduction for the best visual quality. It produces high-resolution photos and videos with low noise and stunning detail. The Sony ZV-1 also features built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB streaming capabilities for seamless connectivity. So there you have it, the Sony ZV-1, a camera that delivers excellent image quality, reliable connectivity, quick autofocus and a compact design. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the product links in the description below.